What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins. I'm back with another video. Back with another unboxing. I got a whole lot of stuff in here we just gotta unbox. I got 10 minutes. I'm trying to do this in less than 10 minutes. Somewhere between 8 minutes and 9 minutes. Go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with everything I'm doing on this side. You feel me? We're getting straight into it, man. I'm not taking a long time. We ain't doing a whole lot of talking, you feel me? Alright, so got this big old box. You know what? We'll do that second. Let's get into this. So, first things first. From Saya Collective, we got some more stuff. You feel me? So we just gonna tap right into it real quick. I've had this. These have been sitting at the house for at least a week, maybe two. I don't know. Some Saya Collective socks. Boom. He calls these the fuck racism with a PH. You feel me? They are reflective. I don't know if you can tell, but they're reflective. You got that Black Lives Matters fist, you know what I'm saying, type deal going on. These are dope. So these are from Saya Collective. Man, you guys go tap in with him. Look, I suggest this if you go tap in with Saya Collective. Go to his Instagram, go through all the posts, so that way you don't ask dumb questions. You know what I'm saying? Second pack from Saya Collective. We got them Vulture, that Volt. I don't think these glow in the dark, but I know that the Vulture on this is reflective. So we got a couple pairs of socks. Wanted to hurry up and get that out of the way because I really like Saya Collective. I got a lot of pairs of shoes coming. Just signed up with their membership, so I'll be able to get shoes. Whatever shoes he drops, I'll be able to get my hands on. Alright, next. We got this box right here, this big ass box. From Funko. I went on the Funko website. Seen they had a whole lot of stuff that I liked. So yesterday was my birthday, so I just been spending money. I just put it that way. I do got another pair of shoes coming. It was like a member exclusive on Nike. Anyways, those should be here in a couple days, so look forward to that. We're gonna dig straight in. Getting straight into it, man. So this is how it comes when you order a whole lot of stuff. You feel me? One big ass box. They really protect their stuff. First things first. And I really like this one. I really like this one. This is actually one of my favorites. Deadpool. Pop number 534. On the side it says Deadpool superhero. This is him carrying a turkey. You know what I'm saying, with all the fixings on the side. I'm a big fan of Deadpool. I think it's just a hella funny. All the movies with Deadpool are hella funny. His character is hella funny. So that's number one. Number two, we're on pace. We're already at 4 minutes. This is a one-take Jake. You know what I'm saying? This one came in the box, so they might value this a little bit more. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. When they send them in this box, does it mean that they're more valuable? Should I keep the ones that come in this box Comment below. Shit. Fuck is going on with this thing? Got it. Alright. Okay. This is a Funko limited edition Smokey the Bear. I actually seen this at GameStop too the other day. Only you can prevent forest fires. Pop number 76. So they say this is a limited edition. People that don't live in Washington, do you see this in your state? Comment below. Pop number 76, big old Smokey. Pun intended. You know what I'm saying? You got to keep the Smokey the Bear in the smoke room. Anyways, next up, another one. Like I said, it came in this box, so I don't. You guys let me know what that really means. Are these the ones I should protect? Should I get pop protectors for these or not? We got another Funko Limited. So I'm starting to see a pattern that all the limited ones come in these boxes. And that's why my Harry the Husky came in one of these boxes too. So maybe I should get some. We got the Pillsbury Doughboy, pop number 94. Pop ad icons. This is the one with the Easter eggs. The other one that I seen it was like a Valentine's Day one, and I'm just, you know what I'm saying? It's not for me. It's not for me. Anyways, comment below, man. Do you guys like this? You guys messing with this? I'm pretty sure this is the guy you poked in the stomach and he went, hoo-hoo. So, I just, you know, for that reason, takes me back. Pillsbury Doughboy. Pillsbury Doughboy. Alright, putting that right back in the box. So that was, I think we showed 3. We got a couple more. You guys bear with me. I got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. And actually we got 5 more. Because I went to GameStop the other day. Alright. We got another Deadpool. This is the bedtime Deadpool. He got a little like koala bear and shit. Or is that a Deadpool stuffed animal? Is it? Anyways, pop number 327. Bedtime Deadpool. Like I said, man, these are funny as fuck, man. I tried to get my hands on the Bob Ross Deadpool, but somebody bought it, man. And, like, I looked back and it was no longer in cart. This one I got from my girlfriend. So this one will be getting taken out of the box because she'll have it in her office. Anyways, it's the Dancing Groot, pop number 65 from Marvel Guardians of the Galaxy. One of my new favorite movies. I'm really just now getting into all the Marvel. I never realized how much Marvel was out there until we got, I think, Disney Plus, to be honest with you guys. But, you know, little Groot. She thinks Groot is cute as fuck, so. Boom. You feel me? And then we got, we're right at 8 minutes and 49 seconds. We got the Spider-Man Marvel 80 Years, pop number 593. Spider-Man, you already know what time it is. It's not much to say, man. It's your boy Spider-Man. It's not limited or anything. None of these were limited. So, they didn't come in those special boxes. Alright, what do we got left? 40 seconds, guys. 40 seconds. Thanks for bearing with me. Went to GameStop, man. And for the town, you know what I'm saying? Got the Sean Kemp pop number 79. If you know, you know, man. Sean Kemp's that guy. And he always stayed around, you know what I'm saying? You would see him at his restaurant when you're out partying and getting lit. You would see Sean Kemp managing his restaurant or just sitting down chilling. So we got Sean Kemp. And you can't get the Sean Kemp without getting the Gary Payton Boom, 10 minutes. Pop number 80. This is a Hardwood Classics. Same as the Sean Kemp. You can't get one without the other. You know what I'm saying? The glove right here. And the Rain Man. Seattle Icons. Seattle Legends. You guys, we did it. 10 minutes, 33 seconds. I appreciate everybody for tapping in with me, man. This was a quick one, but I'm happy I got it done in 10 minutes. I'm not trying to waste your guys' time. You guys, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate the feedback. I appreciate the subscription. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, the notification bell. I appreciate everybody. It's your boy, Bert Collins. I've already tapped in, and now I'm tapping out. Peace.